Social media. It has become an integral part of our life in today's time, where from personal account to every professional and business account, everyone is active on social media. And users spend maximum of their time scrolling their mobile phones and getting to know what is trending, what is latest, and how they can catch up with the going trends. Social media applications like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok are few in which the customers spend the maximum of their time, in which Instagram is one of the most used application where its stats say that 1.2 billion users use Instagram every month, and it is the second most downloaded application where it's the seventh most visited website. And this makes it very clear how much Instagram is making people like it and revolutionize the social media market. Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm talking about the very popular social media application called Instagram. How does Instagram work and how you can build a similar app like Instagram and revolutionize the social media market. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Instagram founders Kevin Systrom and Mike Krug sold the startup to Facebook in 2012 for $1 billion. And currently, Instagram is a free app with a net worth of $100 billion. And rest, we all are aware about how much Instagram is influencing today's generation and the upcoming world, where every child wants to use Instagram, to every multinational businessman or a company wants to showcase their activities on Instagram. Instagram has become an integral part of today's life, where they introduce new things, and latest is Reels, where in 60 seconds you express everything by a video. It has given a platform to many creators to come up with their creativity, many digital marketers to come up with their digital marketing strategy and whatnot. It has made the world come to a single place and entertain themselves on a single platform like Instagram. Through social media applications, consumers can entertain themselves by just sitting at a single place and just holding their phone in their hand. And this is one reason why social media is so successful. And with the growing time, how much important it is becoming for any business. And if you are someone who wants to enter the business world and build a social media application, this can be one revolutionary idea to earn maximum revenue. So now let me share with you 5 strategies that you can follow before building a social media platform like Instagram. Number 1, brainstorming an outstanding idea. First, you need to come up with an idea that has not been practiced in another social media platforms. And like Instagram keeps innovating with new things and came up with the basic idea of sharing pictures on a platform. So you need to have a unique idea that will make your application stand out from all the social media applications running nowadays. Number 2, research the market and proceed for validation. Now, once you have a unique idea, research that will this idea go good in the market and see with the growing trends. See what is going and what people find trending, where your application can be a problem solver or an easy way out for their issue. This is a main reason that might give hype to your application. Number 3, create a prototype and test it with your audience. Now, when your idea is ready and your solution is there, make sure that your audience experience it and they don't find it very complex or tough to understand. Now, social media is a thing which every person uses. So you can't really expect a complex solution to be understood by a simple man. So make sure that your audience find it very comfortable to use your application. Number 4, proceed with the MVP development. Now, to develop a social media application, you really need to look out for smart app development company who can exactly put your idea into that application. Number 5 is launch and promote. Now, when your application is all set to launch, make sure you go with good promotion strategies. Because in today's competitive world, you need to make sure that people get awareness about your application. And keep fixing the bugs and take feedback from your consumers and Fix them as soon as possible. Now next, let's get into some must-have features if you want to create an application like Instagram. Number one is authorization. Now when a consumer comes onto your application, make sure that they don't struggle much in creating an account and can log in from their existing email IDs on another social media platform. That gives a good and positive start for your application. Number two is editing picture. Give your consumers a platform where they can edit, delete and re-upload their picture easily. Give them few filters and some latest trend that can catch their attention and deviate them from the other social media platforms. Number three, uploading picture. Now this is where you need to make sure that your application can handle heavy backend uploads and people can upload their videos, pictures seamlessly on your platform. Number four is image customization. Now this is where you can attract lots and lots of attention because in today's world, people are very crazy about filters, effects. So make sure that the image customization option is available in your application and gives a large variety of filters and editing option to your consumers. Number five is adjustable setting. Now give your customers the leniency to edit their profiles like push notification and much more. Load your application with all the trending ways a person can feel more comfortable and easy to use your application. Number six is messaging. Now messaging is a very important part because that is where a person will convey or contact the other person they are trying to connect on the social media platform. Number seven is search option and geographical locations. Now this is a very important part because this is where your customer can search the other users and connect on a global note. Now these were few features which can be part of your social media application to make it as popular as Instagram. You can also have your own ideas that can make your application stand out from the other social media application. And if you are interested in building a social media application like Instagram, we at Royo Apps have best ready-to-use customizable solution to get you live in no time. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you found it resourceful and came to know how Instagram works and what are the must-have features. We will be back with more videos related to other business world. Till then, you take care.